Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 30th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of December, 2024, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, awarding it a score of negative 3.22. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock recorded a loss of negative 2.23%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 1.12% since being designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The trend over the past 3 months suggests a potential decrease of approximately 28.87% in the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 41.81% to a decrease of 16.32%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a decrease of about 15.25% over the next year, with potential returns varying from a decline of 43.31% to an increase of 33.64%. This implies a projected price range of $2.48 to $5.85 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price down 2.23% on Monday. The NIO stock price fell by 2.23% on the last day Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, from $4.48 to $4.38. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.23%, with a day low at $4.33 and a day high of $4.47. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 3.1% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is a positive indicator, as volume should ideally follow the stock's movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 3 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares bought and sold for approximately $151.04 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $8.94, while the lowest price was $3.61. Currently, the price is 51.01%, or $4.56, below the 52-week high, and 93.46%, or $62.61, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has recently captured attention, though the news surrounding the electric vehicle manufacturer has been less than positive. The stock is currently exhibiting signs of a technical death cross, a bearish indicator that suggests short-term momentum may be dwindling as the 50-day moving average dips below the 200-day moving average. This pattern frequently precedes further declines in stock prices, challenging investor sentiment in the near future. On a more optimistic note, NIO is undertaking strategic initiatives to bolster its market presence. The company has unveiled plans for a new sub-brand named Firefly, which aims to penetrate the compact electric vehicle market and compete with established names such as BMW and Mercedes. The introduction of its Firefly model in Europe is anticipated by the year 2025, as NIO seeks to diversify its product offerings and attract a wider customer base. Furthermore, NIO's recent announcement regarding the repurchase of its convertible senior notes may suggest a strengthening of its balance sheet, which could facilitate potential stabilization of stock prices over the long term. Nevertheless, the company is grappling with substantial challenges posed by increasing competition and escalating losses. Market speculations indicate that a surge of up to 70% in NIO's stock price could be feasible by 2025, although this projection is heavily reliant on the successful implementation of its new strategies and overcoming existing hurdles. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On that same day, Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 1.27%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been identified. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The NIO stock currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $4.51 and $4.60. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal stemming from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 23 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal from 15 days ago. The short-term moving average has generated a sell signal 3 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average has produced a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 51 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 16 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 24 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.38. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with favorable trading volume, the risk level is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 140 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 3.23%. Throughout the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.48%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies experience down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2024 is expected on March 4, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at that $4. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.59. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.38. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good investment option? NIO currently presents several negative signals and is positioned within a broad declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this stock remains unfavorable. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 31st of December, we expect NIO to open up a fraction of a cent and begin trading at $4.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.